Easily secure your patio rug to the ground. Low-profile design for smooth walking surface. Rust-resistant, nickel-plated steel. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommend. Great design. Nothing to trip over. Holds very well, but easy to pull out when packing up. Buy extra. Expect to bend a few stakes if driving into hardened rocky soil, but pays off with easy removal. Heavier stakes may be more durable when driving into hard rocky soil or gravel, but typically are not driven full depth, leaving a trip hazard. Heavier stakes are also much more difficult to remove if driven full depth.